Praise be unto our God. Hallelujah. It is time to worship God and give him some praise today. My name is William Chambers. Good to be here amongst you all. Hallelujah. Today, I'm going to let you guys hear. You probably have already heard me sing this because it's one of my favorite songs, if not the favorite. So you probably heard me sing it before, and you probably going to hear me sing it again because I love it. Great is your mercy towards me. Hallelujah. Your loving kindness towards me, oh God. Your tender mercy I see, hallelujah, day after day. Oh God, he's good. Forever faithful towards me. You're always providing for me. Great is your mercy, I see. Hallelujah. Great is your grace. Oh God, let me cut it right there. Oh, that's some powerful stuff. Woo, I don't know if I want to cut it right there, but I got to give y'all time to jump in. So let's go. Great is your mercy towards me. Hallelujah. Your loving kindness towards me. Your tender mercies I see. Hallelujah. Day after day, after day, after day, after day, after day, forever faithful towards me. Hallelujah. You're always providing for me. Great is your mercy towards me. Great is your grace. Oh my, do I need to say more? Hallelujah. Praise be unto God. I don't have to say no more. God's mercies are tender and great and wonderful towards us. Why is he so mindful of man? What is man? That God is so mindful of him, that he's so tender, loving, and compassionate towards him. I don't need to say no more. That song speaks for itself. God bless you all. God bless you all. And God bless you all.